Welcome to Linux Help. Today we are going to see how to install Linux Dash on Oracle Linux 8.6. Linux Dash is an open source web-based server monitoring tool for Linux machines. This tool will display system properties including CPU load, logged in users, RAM usage, disk usage, internet speed, network connection, bandwidth, running process, etc. First, I am going to check the OS version. We are currently using Oracle Linux Server version 8.6. Now I am going to install all the dependencies required for the installation of Linux Dash. Use the following command. Now I am going to install Git by using the following command. Next, I am going to clone the Linux Dash package from GitHub repository. Use the following command. Git clone, copied link, long list of file, ls-la. This is the package now we have cloned right now. Now I am going to move the file to the Apache root directory. Now I am going to create a virtual host configuration to access the Linux Dash. Use the following command. Make insert the following configuration. Enter the server name. Enter the document root. Write and quit. Now I am going to enable and start the Apache service. To check the status of Apache, use the following command. It's active and running. Now I am going to disable and stop firewall. To check the status, use the following command. it's inactive. Now I'm going to disable SE Linux. Use the following command. Now restart the Apache service. Once restarted, go to web browser. Enter the IP address. It's working. As you can see, we can monitor the system properties such as RAM usage, CPU average load, CPU utilization. In basic info, we have memory info, general info, and we have CPU information. We have disk status. In network tab, we have network related tables like upload transfer rate, download transfer rate. With this, the installation of Linux Dash on Oracle Linux 8.6 has come to an end.
Thank you for watching this video, and if you like it, please subscribe to our channel. To learn more tutorials, visit www.linuxhelp.com, and if you have any queries, mail us to support@linuxhelp.com.